So we've got a report today that a lot of people don't really know about it, or at least I don't think they do. I haven't heard much talk about them, but it's a cool report. So if you go to your dashboard on your race page, then you can go to the demographics tab. And then if you go to select a report, we have the participant heat map down here. And you can zoom in to see where your participants are coming from, where they're mainly focused. So the red is where a lot of the participants are coming from for this race. And then as we move out from that, we could see, okay, we got people coming from Philadelphia over here. There's some people over here in Wilmington. And this is just grouping registrations by the zip code that they used when they registered. So if you want, you can download this as a CSV, and it's going to tell you what zip code and how many people were from that zip code.
And with this report, there are certainly things that you can draw from and use to your advantage. You can use this for marketing purposes. So if you know you have a lot of participants concentrated in a certain area, you can go out to local businesses and see if you can post flyers for your race within those businesses and to attract more participants kind of in that same general area. You can also use this report to help win some sponsors potentially. You can go, for example, here, we have a lot of participants in Philadelphia. You can maybe try to find a local Philadelphia business and say, hey, we have a lot of participants from the Philadelphia region. Maybe you may want to be able to partner with them like that. This may also help inform you of packet pickup decisions. So if you, for whatever reason, notice there are a lot of participants that are outside or coming from a hour drive or 2-hour drive coming to your race, you may be able to make more informed decisions on how long you want packet pickup or when you want packet pickup. So if you have a lot of participants that looks like they're going to be driving from an hour or 2 hours away, you may want to open up packet pickup longer Friday night and maybe want to start it earlier Saturday morning if your race is on Saturday, since you may have participants driving in the night before or trying to drive in early. You can also use this in case for any potential traffic closures. I think like a year ago in the Philadelphia area, we had I-95 was closed down. And so if you notice, for example, you have a lot of Philadelphia participants and a road closure happens kind of outside of Philadelphia on their way into the race, you can send an email, pre-race email to your participants saying, hey, if you are from the Philadelphia area, you may want to consider alternate routes into Morristown, for example. So a lot of things that you can use this little feature for. It's also pretty interesting to know where your participants are. I think it's just good to know who your participants are, where they are, and it really allows you to make more informed decisions about how to handle and how to organize your race.